Easy oven cooked bacon. It goes great with your coffee. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. In this quick tip, we're doing oven cooked bacon. And the simple things you'll need are bacon. I thought I'd get through one video without life happening. I can see that's not going to be the case. You'll need a Radio Baker's Secret pan and one of my favorite cooling racks, crisscross design, and it has the feet, not legs. You put it in there, you spray it, then you just line your bacon right on top. They can touch each other, but try not to overlap. Alright, I couldn't help myself. I just want to show you at least one or two strips laid on here. Now here's the thing. If your bacon's fairly cold, you got to be careful that you don't stretch it, so just kind of pull it with those fingers and then lay it off. Because if you stretch it, then it's going to really hang over your pan and it gets to be a mess. So, see, you just put it on there and push it right next to it because you need as much space as possible. And here we are. By the way, sometimes you get a package of bacon where one end is just wider than the other. So I went back and instead of having them all side by side one way, the first one this way, and then I turned the other one around. I kept going back and forth, and all of the pieces fit except for the last piece, and I just laid it right across the end. I know I said not overlap, but sometimes there's nothing else you can do. Here you go into your preheated 400-degree oven. 20 minutes is usually good for me. Until you try this and get to know your oven, I would check it at 15 minutes and then adjust as you need to. Be sure to shove it back into the middle of the middle rack. Okay, this has been 20 minutes, and I'm going to lift this up, show it here, and I'm not going to tip it because I don't want that grease to go on the floor. Like it did on my, anyway, that's life happening. Life happens. It'll happen to you. It just doesn't quite seem done enough for us, so I'm going to stick it back in. Tell you what I'm going to do though, quickly. I'm going to pour some grease into the trash can. I think maybe 3 minutes. It got a little smoky. Our oven may need to be cleaned. It's more life happening. This is a great episode. I should get bonus points or frequent flyer miles for life happening. What do you think? So a total of 23 minutes. This is what it looks like. And I'm not tilting it anymore. No more spilled grease. It looks pretty darn good. And let it cool on the cooling rack, and the good thing about this method is the heat circulates not only on the top but all around and underneath. It cooks well, the grease drains right down, there's no splatter because everybody can use more ideas. You can make a bacon sandwich or put it in an omelet or anything you want. If you're cooking this ahead, let it cool, put it into a Ziploc bag, put it in your refrigerator. It'll be ready when you are. So cook ahead. Who doesn't love it? Drop me a line in the comments below and tell me about your experiences with this. Tell me what else you might like to see in the kitchen. Or if you thought, oh, Jim, I never thought of this. It's wonderful. I know it is. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Click the bell in the top right-hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Easy oven cooked bacon. It goes great with your coffee.
There are just great coffees.
That's nice. Easy oven cooked. Easy oven cooked bacon. It goes. Easy oven cooked bacon. It goes great with your. Oh my gosh. It's smoky in here. Let it cool, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in the freezer. Everyone needs help, even me.